Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Discord keeping on disconnecting and reconnecting issue. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, we're going to go to your settings, and then from here you're going to scroll down until you see voice and video. Now you're going to scroll down until you see enable quality of service high packet priority. Click on this and enable it. This should help fix your issue. If that doesn't, then you're going to close Discord, and then from here you're going to run cmd, and then from here you're going to write ipconfig /flush DNS. And that's going to flush your DNS server, which might help with your connection stability. Now, if that still doesn't work, you're going to close this. Then you're going to search for view network connections. And then from here, you're going to click on the connection that you already connect to, such as this one, where it says full bars. Right click, go to properties. Then from here, you're going to search for the version 4 TCP IPv4. Click on properties. And from here, you're going to use the following DNS server address instead of the obtain this automatically. And then you're going to fill it as 888 and then 8844. And then you're going to click OK and then close this window. Finally, if none of this works, then you're going to simply search for apps and features, search for Discord right here. And then once you find Discord, you're going to uninstall it and then fully install it back again from your local browser. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.